Internet has made our lives much easier and much more convenient. We all have devices that are connected to the internet. I'm Chloe Pham, and today I'm going to talk to you about Internet of Things and RFID, which stands for Radio Frequency Identification and Accounting. So what is Internet of Things? Internet of Things is a system of interconnected devices and appliances, which transfers data and information without any human interactions. What are the pros and cons of Internet of Things? The first advantage is a paperless method. It keeps track of data and keeps them up to date. Therefore, the data quality will be improved and also allows accountants to have more of an in-depth analysis. It also lessens the amount of work for auditing because it works automatically. The biggest issues with Internet of Things is cybersecurity risk. Anything that is uploaded on the internet, you always have a risk of having hackers gaining access or changing data. Therefore, the threat of identity theft is the biggest drawback of this method. So how does Internet of Things help businesses to achieve their goal? First, Internet of Things help businesses to have a better decision making. It allows a wider and more comprehensive risk evaluation. Also, it gives accountants the basis in-depth analysis or business patterns or market research. It also allows accountants to gain access to real-time transactions. The second advantage of Internet of Things is to streamline accounting activities. Any misinformation or delay in transmission can lead to inaccuracy. Internet of Things works automatically. So all financial transactions can be tracked and sent to accounting department electronically. Internet of Things also improves auditing. All data or transactions can be tracked and be sent to accounting department. Therefore, it lessens the amount of work for auditing, and also it minimizes the errors. Internet of Things also helps businesses to have more efficient management because accounting activities can be tracked daily. Therefore, the efficiency can be improved daily. Another method is radio frequency identification, short for RFID. RFID is a type of passive wireless technology that allows for tracking or matching of an item or individual. It has two components, a tag and the readers. A tag uses radio waves to communicate its identity and other information. It can be passive or active. The readers are devices that has one or more antennas that gives off radio waves and gets information or signal back from the tags. What are the pros and cons of RFID? RFID increases efficiency and reduces labor cost. It can scan one or multiple items within range. It requires no line of sight limitations, and it can scan items within milliseconds. Therefore, it works in a really high speed and automatically. Also, each item or asset is uniquely identified. It will eliminate human errors, and also many RFID tags are read and write capable. The biggest drawbacks of RFID is interference. Metals and liquids can interfere with some radio frequencies, and also the cost of this method could be an issue. The implementation can be difficult and also time consuming, and security issues is one of the most well-known drawbacks of this method. Any unauthorized devices can read or change data on the text and also give attackers access to the password or information. So how does RFID help businesses to achieve their goal? The first one is to track asset. So RFID can locate fixed asset, and also helps businesses to invest less in backup asset. It also helps maintenance to locate asset easier, and also help the staff to spend less time to locate the assets. Therefore, the labor will be reduced, and also tracking goods within supply chain and tracking work in process would be much more convenient. These are my references. Feel free to ask me any question in the discussion board. I will try my best to answer them. I hope that you guys have some more in-depth insight of these two methods. Thank you.